We produced a real Kickstarter project. Here's our world-class question. How can we improve the way someone learns about mechanical engineering? We used 6 sources extensively, researching ways people learn about ME, including trade journals, books, magazines, internet, research papers, podcasts, and our experts who are practicing MEs, student MEs, and ME teachers.
Here's the problem. Data shows a disconnect between what the education system is teaching and what industry needs. In addition, millennials learn differently than schools teach. We asked practicing mechanical engineers and ME students what could make the learning process better. Less abstraction, more hands-on, more application, and matched teaching and learning styles. The National Science Foundation and Georgia Tech show shortcomings between engineering education and industry are business processes, project management, product development, critical thinking, and teamwork skills. The biggest gap was practical experience, how devices are made and work. Education overemphasized IT, physical, and life sciences. Industry organizations like the ASME and the ASCE provide improvement ideas, increase awareness of industry trends, and integrate real-world experiences into the curriculum, offer to provide structures, engagement, guidance, and feedback, shift from teaching-centered to active learning-centered. Millennials learn best in EPIC, ways most schools are not using. Experiential. Lecture is no good without experience engaging all the senses. Participatory. This generation needs to participate in the program's outcomes. Image-rich. Communication needs to be image-based, stimulating the whole brain. Connected. Students need to be connected socially and technologically to each other, instructors and mentors.
Our solution is like the dating service, Match.com, providing real-world experiences for students from industry. We call it Eduneer. We built a website to match ME classes needing real-world experimentation to industry companies that need real problems solved. It's scalable and will work all over the world. Learners search and find real-world problems, matching them to industry partners in the form of multi-day projects or case studies. Most of the time, learning takes place at the manufacturer's facilities in real time, solving real problems for the companies. Educators and mentors guide the students. Companies can do the same in reverse, finding students to help solve problems that may not necessarily be top priority for staff engineers. Example, students starting Heat Transfer 101 want real experience. Using Eduneer, they find a local company with a heat exchanger problem. They communicate with the company, and the class spends a day in the field. They quickly find out what they don't know, and the professor tailors class time to fit the immediate demand for knowledge. They go back to the company, repeating this cycle until the problem is solved. The students get real-life learning, and the company gets their heat exchanger problem solved for free.
Our idea is superior to others like Olin College of Engineering, which does emphasize active learning, but is not easy scalable and very expensive. Another is the iFounder College of Engineering program that builds experiences and cross-disciplinary opportunities, but is only available for a small number of students. Similar websites basically provide job recruiting, but there is nothing like our solution available. On Kickstarter, we are asking $5,000 to hire a professional web designer and a person to contact schools and companies to gain some momentum. After that, the system should be self-sustaining. When you fund our project, you get free publicity on the site and free use during the beta period, knowing you did something good helping kids with their first LEGO League research project, and an Engineer t-shirt to say thank you. We need funding over the next 30 days to release the beta version.
We shared with 6 groups, including engineers, sales and marketing at CMI, our school, an engineer at Superior Essex, Wheeler High School teacher, a group of Georgia Tech engineering students, and our parents. We posted our project on Kickstarter with 30 days and $5,000 left to go on our website with hundreds of views. We look forward to sharing our results